When we opened the Vancouver campus, we really had an opportunity to reshape what we think education should be. We had to think about how the classroom engaged, how we actually interacted with students in the classroom. So we looked at research in pedagogy and how to really focus on getting the most for students, and especially students of different backgrounds.
The teachers here try to prepare you for class before you get the class. So you come to class already knowing what we're going to talk about, and then while we're at class, we are more so doing a practical application of what we learned.
The way that we run our classes here in Vancouver are discussion and activity-based. So instead of having a 3-hour lecture, there's some online material that the professor will ask every student to complete before they come in. And when they come in, they're actually applying that knowledge. And so what that allows for is engagement with each other and sharing that knowledge, and to really get the most out of being with a professor.
Right now, we only use YouTube videos for analysis. We can extend that to TikTok or Instagram. These are some of the improvements that can be done, and given time, we would like to add these improvements.
When we started working on this project, I thought of it as a simpler project, but they kept pushing me to make it more sophisticated. And so I just want to thank you. I was really surprised that every time I was like, we can do this in a quick way. They wanted to do, they were doing research and like, no, we think this is the way we should be doing it, right? So it was great. I just want to say thank you for all the great work, and I'm really looking forward to the poster presentation and that you get to talk to more people and discuss your ideas.
Thank you. Thank you.
I've always believed that education isn't about covering the material, but rather inspiring students to uncover the material. Our students work in rich problem-solving activities that help them uncover the key concepts of computer science for themselves.
We try to really, in class, engage with exercises and activities where we lead you to the next question, which allows for a really deep understanding of the material.
It's not me just talking, but it's our students working together, discussing ideas. It's not so much that I'm here to teach, but I am here to help my students learn.
I love every single professor who has taught me so far. I feel like they're very personable and they're very approachable and open.
They really push and inspire people to follow their creative passions.
The Khoury community has been amazing. The professors that I've got to take classes from here are so inspiring and incredibly brilliant and so supportive.